In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a clean and perfectly balanced Yin Yang symbol in Inkscape step by step. This is a great beginner-friendly exercise that helps you understand shapes, snapping, and path operations inside Inkscape. And the best part is, you don't need any plugins or advanced tools to get this done. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Inkscape tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Inkscape and select the circle tool by pressing E on your keyboard. Now hold down Ctrl and click and drag on the canvas to create a perfect circle. Holding Ctrl ensures that your shape stays perfectly proportional. Once your circle is created, open the Fill and Stroke panel using Ctrl-Shift-F. Set the fill to none and give your circle a black stroke so you can clearly see its outline. Next, we're going to duplicate this circle. Press Ctrl-D to create a copy. Now hold Ctrl and scale this duplicate down until it's exactly half the size of the original circle. Try to keep it centered while scaling so it's easier to position in the next step. Now turn on snapping from the top right corner of the interface. This is really important because it helps you align objects precisely. Take the smaller circle and move it upwards so that its top edge snaps perfectly to the top edge of the large circle. At the same time, make sure its center aligns with the vertical center of the big circle. Once that's done, duplicate the small circle again by pressing Ctrl-D. Move this new copy down so it sits in the bottom half of the large circle, mirroring the position of the top one. Now we're going to divide the large circle. Select the pen tool by pressing B and draw a straight vertical line through the center of the big circle. Then select both the line and the large circle. Press Ctrl// to apply path division. This splits the big circle into two equal halves. Next, select the right half of the circle along with the top small circle. Press Ctrl+ to perform a union. This merges them into a single shape. Then select the left half of the circle and the bottom small circle and press Ctrl+ again to merge those. At this point, your Yin Yang structure is almost complete. Now simply fill one half with black and the other with white. Remove the stroke if needed to get that clean look. Finally, create two very small circles and place them in the center of each curved section. Fill the dot on the black side with white and the dot on the white side with black. And just like that, you've created a perfectly balanced yin-yang symbol in Inkscape. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Inkscape guides just like this. I'll see you in the next one.